What is up, guys? Welcome to part 2 of the build. Sorry this took so long to come out, but it was the holidays. We got kind of lazy, but we got a lot done. There's a couple more parts coming your way. First, I gotta edit them real quick though. So to sum up, you guys saw the BRZ already. 3 of the 4 panels are damaged pretty badly, and we were about to start repairing them just to get them back to stock. But then we looked at it and we said, wait, why not just cut off those panels and throw a wide body kit on there? So that's exactly what we're gonna do. We ordered a Rocket Bunny kit already. It's on the way. And right now we need wide body parts, which means aggressive wheels, and we need coilovers. Also, exhaust will look pretty cool too. So I just found a guy on Facebook Marketplace that's parting out a wide body BRZ. So we're gonna go over there right now and try to strike up a deal and get everything all in one shot. Let's go. Yo guys, look what's behind me. Pretty much an SUV full of parts. We got an Invidia exhaust, catback. It's in great shape. It's a little dirty, but no rust, no anything. We got these awesome wheels. They're made specifically for a Rocket Bunny kit. They fit perfectly, which is really hard to find, really. Usually they're more pricey. We got 4 spacers, and we got 4 Megan Racing coilovers. So all of that, 900 bucks. So I mean, I gotta look up the MSRP for these parts, but I think it'll be at least double. So I think we just got a steal. I'm super excited. I can't wait till my brother sees this. We pretty much got so much mods all in one shot. So the time has finally come. I'm on my way to my brother's house to cut up the BRZ. I don't know, he's super nervous about it. I'm super excited. I can't wait to get cutting those ugly fenders. Let's go do it. All right, the time has come. My brother put some tape on there. We're gonna mark out where we need to cut, and we're gonna get cutting. Enjoy. I'm thinking like this. Yeah, you gotta get as far into there as possible. Let's see. Like we just figured out this side was hit before, because the piece we cut off has a bunch of holes in it with body filler coming through it, and if you look here you can actually see the body filler. So it looks like this car was hit more than once. The same spot. Always a good sign. I think we're cutting off everything anyway. So we ran out of our blade real quick, so we gotta go to Home Depot and get another one. But we did like a tab as an example. As you can see, it's turning out pretty well. This is gonna get tack welded like this, and the excess is gonna get cut off, and then the rest is gonna be body filler. So far so good. Let's go.
Please remove your car.
All right, got the blades. Start cutting up the other one. started here and then I came back to it.
Здесь он вообще как-то непонятно. Ну окей, ладно.
I'm gonna have to add subtitles for you speaking Russian. All right, 3 out of 4 done. This one we cut a little bit higher too, because if you guys remember, we had kind of damage up to here. So we figured we just chop that right off.
What it looks like.
Yeah.
So that fender liner, we're gonna have to somehow probably cut inside of
Yeah,
there.
I haven't seen any videos on how to do that yet, so we're gonna have to
Could just try to tuck it in, but I feel like we're gonna have to just cut that little section right there. But
it's pretty flimsy, so
yeah, see, and it won't go in because of that. So yeah, for sure, probably gonna have to cut it.
yeah, but you kind of see what it's gonna look like. The fit's pretty good so far, and it's very flexible. So if anything, we'll mess around with it. Alrighty, so this is where we left off. Cut these up, and they're gonna, like I said, they're gonna come up here, get tack welded, and then the rest is just gonna be putty or some kind of sealant. And we test fitted this wing that he had laying around from like an old car. Never installed it, and we're thinking if we should install it or not. So let us know in the comment section if you think this looks fine or not. I personally like it. At first when you told me, I thought it was gonna look kind of rice, but with a wide body, I feel like it cleaned it up a little bit. It might just fit the build.
Just might. Pellegrino, by the way, not beer. Just so you know.
Sponsored. That's it for this episode, guys. Thanks for watching. The Rocket Bunny kit is officially ready to be installed. Cutting was a little bit sloppy. We're noobs at this, first time doing it. Also, the panels are already kind of messed up and weird, so it's kind of hard to cut them clean. But we fixed it with a lot of overkill of sealant and just a bunch of spackling, and we sealed it up pretty good. No rust is gonna happen, I'm pretty sure. In the next episode, we're gonna actually install the Rocket Bunny kit, install the wheels, install the exhaust, and if we have time, install the coilovers too. And then it's off to the paint shop. Thanks for watching. Peace.